Kia ora, Amber here from JB, and today we're diving into something seriously exciting, the Logitech MX Creative Console. This console is a game changer that takes your creative workflow to the next level. The MX Creative Console has your back with tools that let you stay in the flow and focus on what you do best, creating. So what makes the MX Creative Console so special? First off, it's all about control, custom control. With the dial pad and keypad working together, you can create specific profiles for all your favorite apps, from Adobe Photoshop to Premiere Pro and even Zoom or Spotify. You get a personalized experience that works exactly how you want it. Tired of hunting for the right tools and complicated menus? No more. The MX Creative Console lets you assign those actions to a tap of a key, so everything's right at your fingertips. Now let's talk speed and precision. The Creative Dial Pad is where the magic happens. It gives you smooth, tactile control that's super reactive, letting you adjust with pinpoint accuracy. Whether you're fine-tuning a photo or scrubbing through video timelines, the low-friction aluminium dial lets you work at your pace, adapting to both fast and slow movements with ease. You can adjust levels, zoom in and out, or navigate between projects without breaking your focus. It's designed to keep up with your speed of thought, so you can stay in that creative headspace without any interruptions. And then there's the MX Creative Keypad, perfect for shortcuts and tools. It comes preloaded with profiles for some of the most popular creative apps, so you're ready to go from the moment you plug it in. Don't like the default setup? No worries. You can fully customize the keys to match your own workflow. You'll be flying through your tasks with quick access to your go-to actions, cutting down repetitive tasks and keeping your hands where they belong, on your tools, not the keyboard. But that's not all. The MX Creative Console is all about adaptability. With paging buttons, you can flip through up to 15 pages of custom settings per profile, meaning you can switch tasks or applications without missing a beat. The dial pad adapts on the fly to whatever action you're performing, from zooming to scrolling, and even adjusts its speed for finer, more detailed work. The fluid roller makes navigation a breeze, smooth, effortless, and precise. Need a quick adjustment? The contextual dial responds instantly, adapting to whatever key or action you're using, and then switches back to default when you're done, easy as. And the display keys not only give you visual feedback, but are also designed to be super intuitive. These keys can show you everything from the tool you're selecting to the action you've programmed, with icons, colors, and text that you can tweak to fit your preferences. Whether you're switching between apps or staying in one, you'll know exactly what's happening at a glance. Now, if you're wondering which apps this works with, the MX Creative Console covers all the big ones: Adobe Photoshop, Premiere Pro, Lightroom Classic, Illustrator, Microsoft Teams, Zoom, and Apple Music, just to name a few. And the fun doesn't stop there. With Logi Options Plus, there's a whole library of plugins waiting for you in the marketplace, making sure you're always equipped with the latest tools and features. Plus, when you pick up an MX Creative Console, you'll get a sweet 3-month Adobe Creative Cloud membership to help kickstart your creative projects. So if you're looking to take your creative setup to the next level and streamline your workflow with smooth, intuitive controls, then the Logitech MX Creative Console is an absolute must-have. Ready to check it out for yourself? Pop into your local JB Hi-Fi or head online to jbhifi.co.nz.